A meter main switch is installed here. A DP double pole box will be placed at this point to bring the line into this room. The wiring will come through a conduit pipe, enter here, and go directly into the distribution board. From this board, a red conduit runs upward toward the gate area, where a lighting point has been provided. Another conduit also rises from here. This carries the main line to a junction box. This junction box has two conduits. One runs toward the staircase, bringing the main line there, where a board has been installed below. The other conduit goes downward beneath the stairs, supplying a submersible pump board and an inverter line. There is a dedicated board for the submersible and another for the inverter. Moving back to the staircase area, you can see another conduit going upward toward the roof for lighting points. Another conduit runs toward the dining area, where a junction box has been installed. From this junction box, one conduit goes into the room carrying the main line, and another drops down into a board for distributing the main line and point wiring. Inside the room, the conduit enters and connects to the board. From this board, one conduit goes downward for a night lamp point. Another conduit goes upward to a circular box and continues to the ceiling, where a fan box has been installed. On both sides of the fan box, there are holders for light fittings. From one of these points, a conduit runs to a 2-module GI box for an air conditioner. Another conduit from the fan box comes down to a circular box, and from there it continues downward to a switchboard for the bed area. Returning to the dining area, another conduit leads to a junction box where the main line arrives. Two conduits run downward from here, and another conduit extends to a separate junction box for further connections. One more conduit turns and enters another room. Inside this room, the conduit leads to a kitchen area. A 12-module GI board has been installed here. From this board, a conduit runs to another circular box and then down to a switchboard. The ceiling also has a fan box with a conduit, along with a circular box and a 2-module GI box for a chimney connection. Additionally, there is a separate board for a refrigerator placed in one corner. A conduit from this area has been taken outside and then brought back into a junction box for connection. From the board in this room, two conduits distribute the main line within the room. One conduit goes downward for a night lamp point, while another runs from above to a circular box for a lighting point. There is also an additional wall point and a 2-module GI box for an air conditioner. Near the bed area, an 8-module GI switchboard has been installed. The ceiling features a fan box with 2 light points on either side, designed for 6-watt panel lights. Let me know in the comments how you found this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel.